Hey Mallory, Shaelee here with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And looking through your website, they did a really good job with the layout. A couple things that I'd recommend here is adding a little bit more content. The reason is that Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7. And they are looking throughout this content for keywords, and you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority with Google. And embedded in that, you want what's called keywords. And another thing I'd recommend are some more call to action buttons, kind of like this, just like a call here or a form submit that helps with your conversion. But let's take a look at a keyword. Here is an example of a keyword that people are typing every month that you'd want to have on your website. And so the first thing that it pulls up here is the Google Map Pack section. And to get in the top 3 here, you'd want a Google business profile that is outranking these businesses here. And the reason you'd want to outrank these businesses is because 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And how you would outrank them is having more citations, which would be your business name, phone number, address, more reviews, and more photos than these businesses here. And if we scroll down, this is the organic section, and this is where your website ranks. And so you want to be on the top, really the top 3 spots here, because a lot of people don't scroll down. About 75% of business goes into this section here. And let's see, I'm not seeing it here. But let's take a look at why KC Pier is ranking. So if we go to their website, they have a pretty good layout as well. They do need more content. And then here's some call to actions here, so that will help with their ranking. But if we go to the back end of their website, so I have KC Pier plugged in here, and this is just showing some ratings given from Google. UR and DR, this is just the trust and authority factor of their website. And what makes up these numbers here are backlinks, which come from referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's just one website linking or shouting out to another one, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you'd want to make sure that you get good quality backlinks, and that would boost these numbers here. Now, if we take a look at your website here, 19 and 12, so we'd want to boost these. That way we're beating the KC Pier. That comes from 251 backlinks from 56 referring domains. So we definitely would want to make sure that you had more backlinks so that we could up these numbers here. And so let's take a look at some of the organic keywords. So it looks like some things that they're ranking for: Foundation Repair, Kansas City. 700 people are searching for this every month. Let's see. Here's another one. 100 people are searching for this a month. 150, 150, and the list just keeps going. And so there's a lot of people searching for your services every month. And so I'd recommend is getting your Google business profile ranking in the Map Pack section, and then also ranking your website, just so that the more eyes that are on your website, the more people that will be converting to your customers. And if you ever need any help with this, I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.